So here we have a triangle ABC. The angles are given as angle A 45 degree, angle B is 60 degree, and angle C is 75 degree. We need to determine the ratio of its sides. So let's try to sketch this triangle. So since our angle C is 75 degree, that means we have an obtuse angle triangle. So it is obtuse at angle C. So we're going to call this angle A, and this will be angle B. So it's given here that angle A value is 45 degrees, angle B is 60 degrees, and angle C, so that's 75 degrees. Now let's also specify the sides. The side opposite to angle A, which is 45 degree, will be BC. We're going to represent it by the letter A. Then angle B, which is 60 degrees, the side opposite to is AC. We're going to represent it by the letter B in lowercase, and the third side will be represented by the letter C in lowercase, and it's opposite to angle C, which is 75 degree. Fine. The law of sides, that states that the ratio of the side A to that of sine of the angle opposite to it, so that's A, which is 45 degrees. This will be equals to side B, the ratio of side B to that of sine of the angle opposite to side B. So this is going to be angle B, which is 60 degree, and that's equals to the ratio of the third side, the C, to that of the sine of the angle opposite to it, so that's 75 degree. Now we need to find out the ratio of its sides. So that means we need to find out A is to B is to C, so that will be sine 45 degrees is to sine 60 degrees is to sine 75 degrees. Fine. So we know the value sine 45 degrees, that's 1 over square root of 2. Then sine 60 degrees, that's square root of 3 over 2. Now what's the value of sine 75 degrees? That we need to figure out. So let's find out the value of sine 75 degrees. Now we know that sine 75 degrees can be also broken down as the sum of 45 degrees and 30 degrees. So we know sine A plus B, so that's given by sine A times cosine B plus cosine B times sine B. Fine. We know the standard value of sine 45 degrees, so that's 1 over square root of 2. And cosine 30 degrees, so that's square root of 3 over 2. Plus cosine 45 degrees, so that's 1 over square root of 2. And sine 30, that's 1 over 2. So that means the value of sine 75 degrees, square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 2 times square root of 2. So we have obtained the value of sine 75 degrees. So that's square root of 3 plus 1 divided by 2 times square root of 2. So since it's a ratio, we can multiply throughout with 2 times square root of 2. And our final result is going to be 2 is to square root of 6 is to square root of 3 plus 1. So that's the ratio of the sides of the given triangle. Those angles are 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 75 degrees.